These officers should remember
that
by
the same logic when somebody
be loyal to the constitution,
But the
not
jail-
to two people.
But
no evidence to hold him that they need to oppose bail by using mangoes. आम आदमी मैंगो नहीं खाएगा तो क्या खाएगा?
अगर जेल वालों को दिख रहा है कि वहाँ बालूशाही और गुलाब जामुन या मैसूर पाक रखा हुआ है, तो भाई मत दो ना, मुझे दे दो। केजरीवाल को क्यों दे रहे हो?
स्टीम मथुरा भेजो।
The jail could not give a sipper to Pakistan. He could not give a sipper.
today, the Enforcement Directorate has claimed in court that the jail chief minister of Delhi is deliberately trying to spike his sugar levels in order to seek bail on medical grounds. The central agency told the court that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, who is highly diabetic with type 2 diabetes, is consciously eating mangoes, sweets, aloo puris, 2 bananas per meal and tea with sugar regularly. Who's doing this conspiracy?
Navika ji, I'll tell you who's doing this. Jhoot Bole Kawakati Productions, directed by the Enforcement Directorate, are doing this. Does the Enforcement Directorate, I ask on Times Now today, have absolutely no evidence to hold him that they need to oppose bail by using mangoes? आम आदमी mango नहीं खाएगा तो क्या खाएगा? As a matter of fact, the same court which the jail could not give a sipper to Pakistan, he could not give a sipper to Pakistan.
नहीं, आम आदमी आम खा सकता है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, पर अगर डायबिटीज हो तो परहेज कर लेना ठीक है. You know, that's the normal doctor's advice.
जी नविका जी, मेरा मानना और कहना यह है कि is there no proof, no evidence, absolutely no substantial proof from the Enforcement Directorate that they need to use mangoes, they need to use sweets and aloo puri to hold back an Arvind Kejriwal? It's a sorry state of affairs. The ED is lying. The BJP IT cell is lying. I want to know, will Canada Kumar be sent to the jail to do a interview with Arvind Kejriwal ji and ask, आप आम छील के खाते हैं, चूस के खाते हैं, कैसे खाते हैं? Nalin Kohli ji, I have a simple question to ask you, sir. Why does it feel like the script of the IT cell and the Enforcement Directorate being run by a dirty tricks department of the Bharatiya Janata Party?
Nalin Kohli, well, Saeed Abbas, these documents have been submitted in court. How can the Aam Aadmi Party actually allege that there is a threat to his life from the BJP, from the jail authorities, when the threat actually is emanating from his diet chart?
Yes, but how do you know? But if this is true and this food is coming in and he's in jail, he's not in a hotel, he's not in a resort, why is the jail allowing such food to come in? So the fact of the matter
घर से आ रहा है, कोर्ट से परमिशन है.
कोर्ट से परमिशन है, घर से आ रहा है. अगर इससे उसका स्पाइक हो रहा है तो
no, there is a court order permitting him to get
one
food.
second.
This is his wife sending him food.
Yeah, wife is sending food.
This is his wife sending him his food.
If it's high.
So what are you guys going to say? Come on,
spike his sugar, Nalin bhai, if it will spike his sugar, the jail superintendent is duty bound to stop it and give jail.
He can't.
But the fact is,
that's why the matter is back in court. Anand Ranganathan.
Just one personal position.
These officers should remember
by the same logic when somebody
be loyal to the constitution, not to two people.
But the jail officers are under the Delhi government, my friend.
So they'll allow bad food to come in. Are they loyal to?
अरे चित भी मेरी, पट भी मेरी. Anand Ranganathan, please argue with Tehseen. Today is not my day to argue with him.
नाविका, हमारा नेता कैसा हो, केजरीवाल जैसा हो, पूरे दिल्ली वालों को करेला खिला रहा है और वहां पे जाके गुलाब जामुन खा रहे हैं. नो बट सीरियसली, हाउ डू यू नो नाविका, हो सकता है ये मीठा जो खा रहे हैं ये केजरीवाल जी की आत्मा खा रही हो, वो नहीं खा रहे हो. बट इन एनी केस, टू बी वेरी सीरियस, साइंटिफिकली इट्स बीन प्रूवन that acute stress and anxiety can also raise your blood sugar levels. So it might be that as well. You need an investigation. It has been shown that a person under acute stress, assuming that Kejriwal is under acute stress, औरों को तो डाला है stress में, खुद भी हो सकता है. If he is, then his body would produce some sympathetic hormones that actually interfere with the blood glucose levels and increase it. So it could be that reason as well. Behral, I would still say Tehseen has a point. अगर जेल वालों को दिख रहा है कि वहां बालूशाही और गुलाब जामुन या मैसूर पाक रखा हुआ है, तो भाई मत दो ना, मुझे दे दो. केजरीवाल को क्यों दे रहे हो?
स्टीम मथुरा भेजो.